What to do? Prevent your computer from getting clogged up by a mesh like this from AliExpress and simply place it in all the places where there is a mesh on the cases and fans. When I didn't have this mesh, I just put a piece of blanket there. This is what it looks like when installed on the front mesh of the case. We also put it on the power supply and on top of the mesh that was there from the beginning. I attached it to the stop of the case, which glue. And now there will be much less dust collecting in the computer. What the dust itself will be very fine. So I will pass through the case normally, which